Guess what, guys? We bought a
house. Hyper-focus my attention on you, baby. A selfish new dimension in my mind. You're exotic like a diamond. I can't shake you. My sticky Aunt Jemima, sugar high. Ooh, la la. Can I get a pure injection of you? Ooh, la la. I just wanna drink you down. Ooh, la la. I'm telling you I just can't live without you. I need you right now. Cause you got me going. Gimme, 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 gimme that loving. Want you to let me get a cherry on top. I've got this feeling in my chest, the thumping. Want you to gimme, 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 don't stop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally here, and we're in a different setting. Well, for some of you guys, you've seen us in the car before. That's usually when my husband Gerard is able to fit in some time. We're actually just leaving our staycation. We did a little staycation for our anniversary. It is our 3-year anniversary. Thank you so much for your comments so far. I've been seeing them on Instagram and on our other social media platforms. So thank you for the well wishes. It has been an amazing 3 years. And guess what, guys? We bought a house!
La la, I'm telling you I just can't live without you.
Oh my goodness, we've been waiting for a while to tell you guys. And although Mr. here doesn't seem super excited, on the inside he is like screaming for joy. That's what I believe it is, right, babe? You're excited?
Nah, I'm just a little tempered, you know.
Oh my goodness.
You know, I like to, when it's official, everything's done, we in the place.
That's how he is. He does operate that way.
The housing market right now is bananas.
Crazy, y'all.
It's crazy. So you'll have a couple such as ourselves that are ecstatic, super excited. They built their dream home and different things happen. So
yeah.
like I'm a little bit more tempered in terms of like, hey, let's just see, you know, and see where it goes. But we're all in, we're committed.
Yeah.
We've done our part of it, but you know, things have been just so wacky this year.
Yeah, because of COVID and everything.
No, just the house, yeah, but part of it, but just the housing market in general, it's been bananas. So yeah, you know, prayerfully everything, you know, continues down the path that it's on and everything goes well. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'll be even more excited once we're officially signed and we like walk into the place. Until then, I usually like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, because he's kind of been seeing some articles where things have happened and people have signed contracts. They think they're about to move in within months and then their contract is completely canceled. Prayerfully that won't be our story, but y'all, we're super excited. Let me just tell you guys, y'all remember that list I made? I had all these things I desired. Let me just put that on the screen. Guys, we got so many things on the list. There are some things that we didn't get that we desire, like some of the amenities, but later on, maybe in 5 years, I don't know, maybe we'll be able to get in our dream community, dream neighborhood, get all the amenities we desire, like a fitness center, all that extra. But this is our first home, first official home, individually and together. We've never bought a home before. We've just kind of been doing apartment living, and we would love that. And it's okay if you're in a place in your life where people are kind of rushing you to buy a home and you're just not ready for that, and you're okay with a condo, you're okay with an apartment. That's how we were. But now we feel like it's time to invest. time to start growing our family. So yeah, guys, we bought a home. We're gonna show you guys what it looks like now. So for this part of the video, I am going to do a voiceover, and I do want to share with you guys that the home that you all just saw, that's the model home, but it is the floor plan that we selected as well as the elevation that we went with. So the exterior of our home will pretty much look like this, apart from the color of the brick and the garage, and of course the landscaping and everything. We'll get all that together once our home is actually built. We signed our contract in March of this year, and we were told that our home will be finished in around 10 to 12 months, and that time frame is actually longer than it typically would be because of COVID and everything. There have been lumber shortages and lots of delays. The housing market is just crazy, like Gerard said. So this footage is from back in March when we originally picked our lot. Think we found our lot.
It gives you like the corner lot.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we are picking out a lot today, and I think that we found the one. We love it. Closer to where Gerard is right now, that area will be fenced in. So that back area, that's not us. That's new development. We're just kind of looking at the area, seeing if we like it. Look at my fine husband. Don't he look good, y'all? Ooh. Yeah, so we're figuring it out. Saucing you up like always. Look at God making ways and providing. Found our lot. You know how you just get to the lot and you just feel like it's right? Yeah, I feel like this one is right.
Sticks and all, right?
Sticks and all right now. That's all we got right here. God called us to take dominion over the land, and that's what we're doing. It's our land right here. Y'all see that? That's ours. Look at our feet. They look jacked right now, but it's our land. It's ours. How you feel, sexy daddy?
This is huge.
All right, y'all, so let's head into the model. First off, isn't this door so gorgeous? I love it. We did get our door designed the same way. Our home did come with a study, and it's a very good size. This will be a shared study. And then now, after going into the study, we're going to move into the kitchen area. We also got our dark cabinets. Now, we did decide to go with upper cabinets as well, which is not showcased in this model home, but I will insert a little clip so that you guys can get an idea of what that looks like. So we did go with maple cabinets like the image, as well as the dark color and the uppers. Now, our layout won't look exactly like this, but this is the same cabinet vendor, and we did decide to go with the exact same cabinets. The cabinets that we selected were an upgrade. It seems like so much was an upgrade, but we also selected a white backsplash similar to the model home, and we also decided to go with the wrapped island, so the same color from our cabinets will be on our island. So now let's move into the living room. Now, I didn't get my 2-story ceilings in the living room, but I did get them in the breakfast nook area, so I was glad to have them just in general, but the living room design does look awesome. Now, this fireplace design, we did decide to go with a darker tile. We also decided to have ours structured in a different manner with a cedar beam mantle, and of course that was an upgrade as well. But here's another view of the kitchen and the breakfast nook just from the angle of the living room. But now look at this staircase, y'all. This staircase design is so me. I loved it. I fell in love with it, and it was actually like $12,000 in order to do it this way. okay, but I had to have it. I didn't want the regular basic design that it generally comes with. And they showed it to us in the model and we went in. That's what sold me on this floor plan, and no other floor plan had this staircase design, and I just had to have it. So now moving into the laundry room, this is what our laundry room will look like. It's a really good size. Now ours will not have the 2 cabinets that you see here because they were an additional charge. We just have 1 cabinet, and then there's a shelving unit, and then now moving into the bedroom. So this is a master bedroom. It is a really good size. It was an additional charge in order to add the seating area off to the side. It's not necessarily a bay window, but there's a little cutout for a seating area. So we did go with that. And then our bathroom, I love the bathroom. I love that it has, well, the frameless shower. That was an upgrade as well. But the shower pan design, we did go with that. We will have the dark cabinets in the bathroom as well. Our standalone tub will be more of an oval shape. I did desire to have separate vanities, but that wasn't an option for this floor plan. This closet is a decent size. I do wish it was larger, but this is Gerard's closet, and I feel like it's going to be a great size for him. I'm actually going to convert one of the rooms into a closet wardrobe situation. So that'll be my closet. So now we're going to head back into the bedroom. And as you all can see on the opposing side of where our bed frame will be, there are windows. So it is going to bring in really good lighting. However, I'm not sure how I'm going to decorate that area, but I'm sure I'll come up with something nice. We also decided to go with the lighter flooring. This is what it looks like. This is us at the design center. I think it is going to be that one.
Remember, you'll get some places where you'll get some darker tones in there.
Okay, maybe that'll be good then.
Like that's the whole piece right there.
Oh, it is. Okay. So all of this.
Yep, the whole vertical and the base, those are the same colors.
Okay. All right, so now I'm leaving the bedroom, and I forgot to mention that our home does come with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. I'm going to move into the half bath now to show you all what that looks like. But before I do so, there is an under storage area under the staircase, and that's going to come in handy. Now, in the model home, the half bath does look large, and we were really excited about that, but we were later told that it's not going to be that large when we actually design it. I'm not sure why they have it that way in the model, if it's not consistent with what you actually get. But nevertheless, the tile in this bathroom, we decided to go with a different design. And Gerard actually helped with that decision. That was probably one of the only decisions he made. And actually that decision consisted of me selecting 2 different designs. One was more affordable than the other. And of course, y'all know Gerard. He went with the more affordable option. Y'all know him.
It's all me.
Good job.
That was a tough decision.
He finally made a decision.
I made it.
First decision of the day. Yeah, I think that will look good. I think both of them work. All right, so now let's head upstairs. Upstairs, we do have a game room, and that was really important. I wanted an area for our kids to be able to play. Our future kids, that is. So this area over here, this is considered to be a refreshment center, and Gerard said we didn't need it, but I kind of desired it. I felt like it was aesthetically pleasing and it would be beneficial, especially because the media room or the movie room is close by. So it's a great add-on in regards to adding snacks and just having an area to wash your hands, things like that. I just thought it was great. There's also an overlook area towards the entrance, so I really like that. Of course, that was an upgrade as well. That seems to be a running theme in this video. Everything was an upgrade. So now moving into the media room, there were barn doors on the design for the model home, so we really liked that, and we decided to go with that as well. This is the size of the media room. It's not huge or massive or anything, but it's a good size for us to be starting out. Y'all know that was very important to me. I wanted an area where we can watch movies because that's one of my favorite things to do. So now we're gonna go into the bedrooms. This first bedroom for now is gonna be our guest bedroom suite. And I love the size of it. It has a nice little nook over in the corner, and that's really cool and spacious. Now the closet in this room is quite small. I'm not really a fan of that, but that's just how it is. There is a bathroom off this room, and this bathroom will also be the bathroom for the bedroom that's next to it as well. I do like that the vanities seem to be in different areas for this room and the other one. So now we're going to move into the third bedroom. That bedroom will be the nursery whenever we start developing our family. And there is a linen closet just before you get to that bedroom, but it's going to be converted into a clothing closet because we opted to convert the closet in the fourth bedroom into a bathroom. So now we're going to move into the third bedroom. And right now it's decorated for a little girl, and I love how they decorated it. The closet size was a decent size. However, our third bathroom is going to be in the next room, and so they had to cut into the closet. So the closet size is going to be smaller, and it's kind of hard to explain, but it won't be that size. So this closet is actually going to be a bathroom. We were told that if you have a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, that is harder to sell if you decide to sell your home later on. So it's better for you to add on an additional bathroom. I'm not sure why this original plan didn't necessarily come with that already built into it, if that's a selling feature, but nevertheless, we decided to add the additional bathroom. And this room is going to actually be my closet wardrobe space. But overall, I love the home. I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out. I'm not sure how long it's going to take for it to be built at this point. They haven't even started laying the foundation, but hopefully we'll be in it next summer sometime for sure. But yeah, guys, we are so excited. This is an amazing process. I literally remember when I first tried to get a home years ago. I believe it was like 8-9 years ago when my sister and her husband bought their first home. I went through the process of trying to get a loan for a home, and y'all, I wasn't even approved for $80,000 at the time. Like, that is crazy to see what God has done. Like, full circle, being able to get a home. And if you guys remember, our original budget was between $300,000 to $400,000, and Gerard was like, we're not going over 400. We ended up going well over 400, and I feel like our home is going to be so amazing. It's going to be great. I'm going to feel amazing in the home, and I just cannot wait to decorate. I'm so looking forward to that, but we have so much time until that's even going to happen. But yeah, guys, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video so far. Come along with us on the journey. Be sure to like this video, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on all of my social media platforms. I do have a new Facebook page now, guys, so you guys follow me there as well. I look forward to your comments and feedback. We are super excited. We cannot wait to hear what you all think. We will see you all in our next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.